Alright guys, thank you for hitting play on this video. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to ship from home. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using USPS because it's closer to my home. Now, are you upset or a little scared of going to the post office because of the whole situation with the pandemic? Well, I got a very good way for you to do this at home. You can ship from your house, and you can, do basically everything at home. So you want to stay safe, you're going to need package tape, measuring tape, flat rate boxes that you can get at the post office. Like I said, stock up, or you can create your own personal packaging, and you're definitely going to need a scale. If you don't have a scale and you do have something to weigh yourself, you can actually weigh the package. Take a note of your weight first, then step on the scale with the package and subtract that weight versus your own weight, and you're gonna have, how much your package weighs. There's some scales on the internet that are pretty cheap. There's kitchen scales I use. This one's only $15, but there you have it. So shipping service, like I said, we're going to use USPS.com because it's down the street. All you have to do is register. There's no monthly fees. So don't be scared that your credit card is going to be charged any extras unless you go over what you did weigh. But usually they'll send you an email stating that you charged yourself for this much a weight, but then it was more than that. They're pretty good, so there's not going to be any fees. And this is my business, so I'm working from home. Anybody needs remote support, virus removal, I'll actually do mobile repairs. Show up at your home outside and do the repairs in my car. So let's just dive in, and I'm going to be looking at USPS.com. I'm going to sign in. The guy 978, you know it's me. So again, it does not charge you anything for monthly fees. I think I forgot my password here. Hold on. Oh yeah. That should work. Boom. So while I'm in here, I'm going to fill up my information, the seller. I'm going to select the shipping date. And I'm going to be using shipping flat rate, right? There's these boxes at the post office. They're red. They're called red and white and blue, and they're priority. Small rate box. The smallest one is $7 or $8.30, and you can ship anywhere in the United States, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico for $8 as long as it fits in the box. So you can take advantage of that. But if you have your own packaging, you have to see what works better for you. If you look at the United States map and you are shipping anywhere from Washington or Virginia, you get your own box. Don't use the flat rate because it might be cheaper. But you can also ask the personnel at the post office about that, and they can give you the best. Sometimes they might say, hey, your package weighs too much. Why don't you use this and it'll be cheaper? So if we look at the map right now, and you are shipping anywhere to New York, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, like half this on this section right here, you can use your own box. It might be cheaper, but then you can also do the priority. So definitely you can ask your personnel over there at the post office, and they can give you the best advice. You can also give them a call. But I've noticed from the years that I've been doing, priority works perfect when it's a flat rate. But anywhere in Connecticut, it might be cheaper than what the flat rate is. So you're going to enter the value. They have insurance. Anything that's under a certain amount of price, they cover it. If they lose it or it gets damaged, you're covered. So there you have it. Just fill out these things right here. You can print straight from your house. And when you get to the post office, you don't even have to make the line. You drop it off the counter and you leave. Isn't that great? Less contact, the better. Hope you guys learned something. If you got any questions, feel free to ask me. We're working from home remotely. You can log into your computer, help you out. And there you go. So good luck and stay safe.